Hey there, guys. Hisham back here. Off the cuff video today. It's about the three best AI services to offer in 2025. I mean, I took this title verbatim from Nexarayev daily updates video, so don't hold me accountable to it. I'm just like taking what's working, what's not. That's it. And I'm giving credit where it's due. So on this topic today, I'm just like going over the three best AI services to offer on like the 2025. So three best AI services has um, should have like I'm going to go by type and then we go like on more details by type. It's either it gains time, like it win time back, like gain back time. It either brings new business, so brings clients, brings blue or biz, or it optimizes a specific workflow in a company. So these are the three main types of AI services that you can AI automation services. So I should add automation because not all like AI isn't like the main driver here. It's mainly what's what's the result out of it. So these are the type of three results that it can like your services need to base like that you need to base yourself on. So it either gains back time, meaning like if a process takes, for example, 3 hours, if a process takes 3 hours and if you automate it, it becomes like 1 hour of manual time. You gained basically 2 hours to the founders. And this is equal X amount of dollars, so it equals like money. So this is how you translate this to more money. Brings in new clients, which either can be a cold outbound system with AI, so like new clients, or reviving old clients, meaning doing a database reactivation, or just simply said to to be in touch with your older clients or older leads. So you tell them, hey, I'm doing this. Do you remember me? So if this is interesting, let's work together. So either like DB reactivation. This is like a jargon, like a niche specific uh, word, database reactivation, client database reactivation. It means like those follow-ups and like just sending messages to old clients. And the opt like yeah, brings in new clients base or for example ads or something of the sort. So this is basically outbound and marketing based. This is more so process based and optimizing. It can be like under gain back time, but optimizing meaning if a process is getting X replies, for example, if you're getting if you're not doing icebreakers in a cold email, if you would like optimizing results of a given process. So, for example, if you are getting X replies in cold email or ads, if you implement your workflow, it should add positive replies. So, for example, implementing icebreakers, implementing some sort of um, context touch, telling them, "Hey, I loved your podcast because I saw how you did, uh, how you talked about parenting, or I mean, any sort of optimization here." So you can see like there's three types. I would argue this type can be like under gain back time, but anyways, this basically optimizes on what's already working. So if you add your touch, it can like be an amplifier. So this is what I mean by optimizing results. So on this topic, so you could offer on gaining back time, you could offer, for example, a content automation system. content automations, meaning, I mean, Nixrive does have already automations around this. You can go check him out on, I mean, he has a Gumroad where he gives all of these automations for free. So I'm not affiliated to him, but I really like what he does. So why not put credit where it's due? So either content automations where you plug in, for example, a YouTube link of a podcast, it scrapes it, it gives you all the transcript, it gets treated with AI and then gets sent out to another AI node that creates like your LinkedIn posts, etc. So this can be an automation that you can gain back money out of, gain back like hours and have more money. And also follow-ups. For example, email follow-ups, invoice systems, like for example, invoicing systems, for example, like whenever, especially agencies, whenever someone, like some client doesn't pay their invoice, you gotta follow up each every 3 days or 2 days. So you can have an automation for invoicing, and this can take a lot of money. This can take a lot of hours to do manually in a given week. So why not automate that? These are two examples under this category. For new clients and database reactivation, it's like pretty straightforward. Instantly.ai. It's a service that you can also give out. I mean, it's not instantly. I would say, I would argue this is the better name, which is cold email. If you have a specific process on how you scrape leads, how you enrich them, how you do specific set of steps, cold email is one of the ways to go and the easiest to automate. So, I mean, there's providers like Smartly, Instantly, etc. that does that. Creating, for example, I mean, creating ad creatives. This can be interesting for brands and for e-commerce brands. Like AI can do a lot of nice job in their cold email. I would say database reactivation, meaning sending messages to like emailing old clients. So that's that. And you can have like automations around it. You can have even like LinkedIn connection request campaigns. You can build it like with Phantom Buster and N8N. So that's that. And with this, you optimize. This is pretty much under the custom project. So this needs basically some skills. You just like need to understand where is a system being bottlenecked or slowed down, or there's high friction point. Just for example, if a campaign is already working well, for example, if a cold email campaign is working well, if you implement to that campaign or to that process, for example, for a given email marketing agency, if you would implement for them like a reporting system or like creating something like some deliverable with AI that is simple to implement um, over the campaigns, that it doesn't increase um, manual effort, can be good. This is like how to optimize the process. This can come to a custom project, so I I would have only one suggestion about that. That's what I told you about. So yeah, these are the three best AI services that you can give. I would say like the best AI services to offer, or I mean high ROI systems. It's basically AI systems. You should think of this uh, as a business owner. You shouldn't think yourself as a builder. And AI has a lot of fallacies, like, and it's a shiny object syndrome. So you gotta be aware of that and use AI and automation in the right places of a given of a given of a given process. That's it. Anyways, hope you like this video. So this is I don't have anything to say. If you are new watcher of the channel, just subscribe. And thank you.